Hi everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to change the position of the start icon on your Windows taskbar, whether you want it aligned to the center or to the left. First, right-click anywhere on the taskbar and select Taskbar Settings. Next, in the Settings window, click on Personalization and scroll down to find Taskbar. Now scroll further down and select Taskbar Behaviors. Here you'll see the Taskbar Alignment option. Simply click on the drop-down and you can choose between left or center alignment. And that's it. Your Start menu icon will move to the position you selected. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips.